Hey, what's going on? So SHIBASWAP is here, and I did a video previously where I put some of my money in to SHIBASWAP, and I'm just going to show you the results that I've gotten from. So I'm going to go to SHIBASWAP, and I'm going to show you guys the money that I after stacking, and how much I earned from dig, and also bearing Shiba and also Bone. At the moment I'm just logging in, so it's very easy. I'm just showing you guys on the phone. It's very easy. All you have to do is connect, and that's it. Now you go back to your browser. The first thing I'll show you guys is the berry. I'll show you some berry, because I buried 6 million SHIB here. I don't think I got much here. I only got 0.4, so that makes it about 112 cents. So 12 cents for burying that for a week. And I paid, if you saw the video, I paid $30 to bury this or something, was approving this, that. So in my opinion, it is pointless to bury if you have a small amount of Shiba. On the other hand, if you go look inside, I did some digging. I did, provided some digging. So at the time of the video that I did that video, I paired Shiba and Ethereum, which has the worst the worst, and I think I paid nearly $20 to $30 for fees here as well. So at the moment I only earned 0.5 Bone, which is worth $2. So again, if you have a small account, if you have a small amount and you want to pair, and if you want to, it is, I will not recommend it. And on all the videos that you watch online, don't follow them, and they're just doing it, I don't know why, for what sake, but I'm just really real, telling you that it's pointless to do this. Don't do it. Just hold on. Just the best game is, I think, if you have loads and loads, like hundreds and hundreds of millions, yes, you do it. You can go dig and bury or stack it, whatever you want. But if you have little amounts like 10 million on this, just keep it, just hold on to it, that's it. But I'll show you another thing as well, because but later on, and I figured that I could, SHIBASWAP, you can actually buy Bone. So I went ahead and purchased, I think, 10 Bone or something. No, it wasn't 10, it was more than 10. I did get more. So if you go into bury, but I only buried 10. So 10 of them I stacked, and then that earned me, in a matter of, I don't know how many days it was, but 37 cents. So that is pretty much pointless as well. But in the meantime, I have 10, but this one cost me about $20 in fees. So far, if you think about it, I have I'm at a loss of nearly $200 in fees by burying and stacking and unlocking and approving. It is absolutely pointless to do this if you have a small account. I have a small amount of SHIB and all that. That's why I didn't get much. And it doesn't matter if you have a big amount or a small amount, you're still gonna pay that same fee that Ethereum charges for the gas fee. You know what I'm saying? But one last thing I want to show you is I also paired Bone and Ethereum, which did really well. So it's got 13 Bone. It generated 13 bones from 0.4 LP, because the return is very good on this one. So if you got a lot of, if you've got a lot of Ethereum, just buy 20 or 30 or 100 Bone, and then don't look for other ways. Just buy it and then put it this way. I think you would make more money by just providing liquidity. And this is the only way I would recommend you to do it, and it's worth paying that $20 fee in order to get the Bone that is generated, which is 13, and you can wolf 30-something% of it, and then that's it. But in all, I will not recommend you to mess with this Shiba. They're just a platform. What is it? SHIBASWAP is just another platform like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. You can already get this liquidity. You can already get everything over there. It's just another copy version of the Uniswap. There's a lot of exchanges as well. So this SHIBASWAP is just another copycat version, and then they're trying to hope to, I don't know, they make people think that the price is going to go up, but it's not going to go up. It's not going to go up because nobody's going to get any money from burying their SHIB, because you get nothing. Literally, you pay so much in fee, and then you're like, shit, I'm stuck. But yeah, I have no words but to tell you just to hold your SHIB. If you have 120 million, you're probably going to get 10 burn in a week. And then when the liquidity event is over, which is another week left, my friends, you're not going to earn anything. So it's best just to hold on to your SHIB. And if it goes up, voila. If it doesn't, just leave it. It could be another story, or it could be another story is Doge. Or if you're not feeling good and if you want to make money fast, there's another way. And I put $100, I think it was, into million token by TechLead. That went all the way to 226, and I think 1,000 went. I think I turned 1,000 into nearly $1,000. So nearly 1,000x. I didn't cash out, of course, and then it went all the way to 40. But now it's at 100 again, so that is better than this, and I think it's better to invest in companies, in tokens, in coins, in crypto, that we can see people's face, but Shiba, we just see a dog. It's a meme coin. But at least with million token you can see TechLead's face, and he's legit. He puts his money into the liquidity, so he can provide liquidity so people can buy it, even though he's making a ton of money. He's a smart guy, that's why he's doing it. But people call him a scammer, but it's not a scammer. It's just he's a genius. Provide liquidity and create your own coin. Be the first to provide add a liquidity pool, and he's making, like, I'd say hundreds of thousands a day, because he's providing liquidity. He's putting $1 million of his own money behind his own token, and he's making a ton of money. So you could do the same thing if you want, but I will not discourage him. I think he's going to do great. And if you want, you can jump onto Million, and it's available on PancakeSwap now, as well as of course Uniswap. Hey, that's about it. Yeah, but I'll show you the where was it? Here we go. We'll disconnect that because pointless. So there's my Million. So I currently hold 4.48 millions tokens, but I had 5. I sold one last night at a price of 97. It was, yeah, price of 97. I sold one last night. But other than that, another issue that I had when I had 5.56, I think I had, yeah, and the price was about 200 for this 200, and I couldn't cash out because what was happening is I didn't have enough Ethereum to pay for, I think it was $40 fee to cash out, because it was hot, everyone was on it. So that was that issue. So always make sure you have Ethereum if you're dealing with Ethereum. That is, the ERC20 tokens. But if you have Binance, whatever, like all these stupid Dogecoin, like all these stupid coins that you can see here, so I put $1 in all of them, I think. And some of them are going up, some of them $1 turning 20 cents, $1 to turn into 0 here. And what's the other coin that, here you go, this one, the Logan Paul, that's a stupid coin, but anyway. So the Logan Paul has one as well. But yeah, that's that. But I just want to show you that. But this number was 1,700, which was crazy. It was going wild. But that's that. And then Shiba, you do whatever you want. I'm not providing you any financial advice, I don't know anything about, I don't know much, but I have put my money into the SHIBASWAP and it's gone to waste, and I'm telling you not to do it. That's all. Have a great day.